And I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was mixed versus the majors, gaining versus the euro and the yen and weakening versus the pound. Weekly unemployment claims came out better than expected, with 432,000 showing the US employment slump is ending. Light end of the year trading caused abnormal movements in the markets led by speculations. Nasdaq and Dow Jones declined by minus 0.97% and minus 1.14% respectively. Crude remained unchanged, closing at $79.49 a barrel, and gold gained by 0.28%, closing at $1,096.35 an ounce. Today, ISM manufacturing PMI is expected stronger with 54.1 versus 53.6 prior. The euro weakened versus the dollar after better than expected unemployment claims in the US increased speculations that a rate hike will happen in the dollar soon. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.03 and a high of 144.40. The euro dollar has been unable to cross above 144.50 due to sellers' pressure and light volume, and is heading lower to the 142 support level. Today, final manufacturing PMI is expected unchanged with 51.6, and Italian prelim CPI is expected unchanged with 0.1%. Resistance stands at 143.75, 144.41 and 144.45. Support at 142.75, 142.35 and 142.20. The pound gained versus the dollar after nationwide HPI came out 0.4% as expected. Better than expected unemployment claims in the US erased most of the pound's early gains. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 160.49 and a high of 162.35. It's still trading on a downward channel on the daily chart and faces many resistance levels above the 162 level. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected stronger with 52.1 versus 51.8 prior. Net lending to individuals is expected with 0.6 billion versus 0.3 billion prior. Resistance here stands at 1.625, 163 and 163.45, with support at 160.95, 1.605 and 1.602. The yen continues to weaken versus the dollar as unemployment claims in the US came out better than expected, weakening the yen's appeal. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 91.91 and a high of 93.14. The dollar-yen is on a daily uptrend and faces resistance at 93.3. It's in a near overbought condition on the RSI and might face a downward correction. Today, monetary base is expected with 3.5% versus 3.8 prior. Resistance is at 93.2, 93.5 and 93.85 and 92.45, 91.9 and 91.6 support. The CAD gained slightly versus the dollar as commodities advanced modestly. Overall, the CAD traded with a low of 104.55 and a high of 105.49. The dollar CAD is holding above the 104 support level, and the RSI is in a bullish trend line. Unless the 104 level is breached downwards, the pair is destined to continue toward the 107 resistance. No economic data is expected today. Resistance is at 105.4, 105.8 and 106.3, with support at 104.55, 104 and 103.65. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.